In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a record to a table that is created in the Microsoft Access database software. So the first thing you need to do, you need to go under the tables and you're going to open the table that you want to add the record to, right? So here now I'm going to click here and the product code is B002 and the customer code is A002 tab and the product is a short sleeve shirt. The category would be for today's video would be male, M for male. The wholesale price $30. The selling price tab is $35. And here we have our margin. The computer automatically calculated the margin because we have a calculated field which we did in the previous video, right? Date sold, I'm going to click here and I'm going to first date sold, I'm going to click the 4th of November and we have the auto number inserting the next number for us. All right, so I've showed you how to insert a record. I'm going to show you how to delete a record now. So you move the mouse until you see the arrow pointing to the right. All right, now what it is saying is that we have duplicated here. So what we need to do is come here and put a 7 here because this is a product code, is a unique identifier. And here now we can now come up to here and move the mouse until you see the arrow pointing to the right. We right click and we delete the record, right? It's asking us if you want to delete it and we click yes. All right, so this is how you would add a record to your database table and how you would delete a record in your database table. I'm going to delete this record. So I move my mouse until I see the arrow pointing to the right. I right click and I come down and I select delete record. It says, do you want to delete the record? I click yes. In the next video, I'll be showing you the different types of relationships that you have in the Microsoft Access, and we're looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Please take care until then. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.